to my channel and to my home for another fall decorating video, a video that I am very excited about because in this video, I am sharing a space with you that I've never shown you before here on my YouTube channel. I actually mentioned this space back in August, and I told you that there was a room in my home that I was going to show you that I have never shown you before. I actually have I have 4 spaces in my home that you've never seen, and this is one of them. I had planned to share it with you later in the month, and I'm still going to because this is a space that I essentially completely made over. I took it from a just square, white, plain room and basically transformed it into a media room that is the media room of my dreams. But because I'm decorating for fall, I had planned to decorate this room today, and I thought I can't not share it here with you. So you're gonna see the space, and of course I will share the full makeover video very soon as well. I plan to share that towards the end of the month, and it is the entire process step by step. Essentially how I took this room, I'll show you right now, from this just plain white blank room. It was essentially just a boring TV room, a room that I had a TV in, to the theater room of my dreams. I will share that video with you coming up at the end of the month, but today the focus is getting this space, my new favorite space in my house, ready for fall. One of the reasons I'm focusing on this room today is because I'm actually planning to host a little birthday movie night. My birthday is on the 16th, which is, I'm pretty sure, the day this video is going to go live. So if you're seeing this on the day the video goes live, it is officially my birthday today. But for me, it's a few days ago. The one thing that I want to do this year on my birthday is just cuddle up on my sofa with the pups, a few of my closest family members and friends, and just watch some of my favorite movies with lots of junk food and candy and fun and maybe a little bit of cake. I'm going to stock it with candy, and then I thought it'd be really nice to decorate it for fall because I personally want to enjoy it for the season. So I'm going to go ahead and get it ready, and I don't decorate in this house without sharing it here with you. So I hope you enjoy hanging out with me today, and I just appreciate you. Thank you for being here. I cannot wait to head upstairs and show you this room. So let's do it. Let's get to decorating. Anytime I'm making over a room like this and I know that I'm going to be shopping everything from decor to furniture to light fixtures, the first place I go is always Wayfair. Wayfair is the one place that I have found so many fantastic pieces over the years that I love in my home. Of course, when I was furnishing this room, it was no different. Before I started making over this space, I knew that I was going to put an ultra short throw projector in here, and I knew that I was going to have a pretty large screen. The screen I ended up using in here is 132 inches, so I knew that I needed a media console that was pretty low to the ground, but I wanted it to also be fairly long. So I was looking for something really specific, and of course I found it on Wayfair. I'm not surprised. I love this piece. This is such a good quality piece of furniture. Plus it has a ton of drawer storage, so all of my DVDs fit down in here. I just really love this console. I think my absolute favorite are probably these alabaster sconces. I love these sconces. They truly make the room in here. They are currently my favorite thing in the house. I think I just love shopping Wayfair so much because I feel like I always find exactly what I'm looking for, and I get those pieces at such great deals, especially when Wayfair is having one of their sales, and they're actually having one of their sales right now. It is their epic fall sale, and it's going on from September 15th through the 22nd. You can save up to 70% off. Plus you get fast and easy shipping on orders of $35 or more. And if you're shopping Halloween like I am right now, they're also offering an extra 10% off with the code SPOOKY10. So wanted to share that with you as well, just in case you have some things on your Wayfair wish list or you have some pieces that maybe you've been thinking about buying. Now is the perfect time to shop. But I will be sure to have all of my Wayfair favorites linked here on my YouTube shop, especially the pieces that I have in this space today. I just want to say a quick thank you to Wayfair for partnering with me here on my channel and allowing me to share another one of their fabulous sales here with you. This was originally a closet with a door in here, and I decided to remove the door and paint it the same color as the room, and then I had my electrician hardwire lights into the shelves so that I could use it as a concession. The top shelf lights up also, but I was messing with the lights and I think I messed it up, so I have to have the electrician come fix it. But in the meantime, those will work. He did hardwire them in. And I like that you can choose warm, that's warm. You can do neutral or cool. And then I could also turn them down to like 10% if I wanted to, or 50%. This is 100. I have them on that for the video, but it's really nice that I can turn them down, especially while I'm watching movies or TV. So excited to set this up. Let's do it. Okay, before we stock the candy shelves, I feel like I bought copious amounts of candy for this space. And yes, I may or may not have opened it because I bought it a week ago and I'm just now putting it in here. So please keep in mind, this is not just for me. This is for my family and my friends. I am hosting people this week for my birthday, and I plan to host many movie nights. I would love to have a weekly movie night with my family now that I have this really great space during fall and especially during the holiday season. So I kept all of that in mind when I bought all of this candy. Did get into the candy a little bit. That's the plan for all of this. This is not just all for me, okay? I wanted to tell you that before you saw it. I did try to get the box candy, the kind you would get at the real theater for everyone. So I think it's really neat. And I basically got one of everything that was at the store. When I go to the theater, my go-to movie candy is a combo of Reese's Pieces, and I don't see it in here. Where is it? Let me see. Let me find it. I always get Reese's Pieces and Sour Patch Kids. If I don't get Reese's Pieces, I get Whoppers. These are my go-tos. Let me know in the comments below what your personal movie candy favorites are. I'm very curious. Okay, it is day 2 of fall decorating here in my theater room. And yesterday, which was about 5 seconds ago for you all. We finished putting the candy and the treats in the concession closet. And now I want to add a few fall touches in there. I have this pre-lit garland. I'm going to put some batteries in here and use this and a few pumpkins, I think, on the top shelf. And then just add a little bit of decor in there to make it festive. So let's do it. So the pillows that I've originally put in here, I think go great with a fall color palette. So I'm gonna leave the pillows that I already have, and then I'm gonna add these fall plaid blankets that we picked up earlier in the season. If you remember, I did a shop with me, and sorry, Hank has his toy if you can hear that. I picked up these blankets for this room, and so I'm gonna put these out in here. What do you think, Hank? Let me see this. You want this? Okay. So I'm gonna put these out in here. And then I also thought it would be nice to put some velvet pumpkins around on the sofa in here as well. I pulled a bunch of my velvet pumpkins out of the bin, and we're gonna get these out. right, so that is it. Thank you for coming over today and decorating with me a little bit. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this probably was another short video, but I just hope that you at least had fun hanging out with me and watching. And I certainly enjoyed sharing this new space with you because I'm really excited about this room. So thank you for letting me share it here with you today. And I will be back very soon, probably tomorrow, with another video because I have been decorating this house every single day for fall, and every single day that I decorate, I'm turning on this camera and I'm gonna share it here with you. So we still have a lot more decorating to do. We're gonna do the kitchen. We've got the breakfast room and dining areas. I'm doing a really fun coffee bar in there, I think I mentioned, and we've got the back patio. So lots of fun things to come, lots more decorating to do here on my channel. So I hope to see you again very soon in the next one. Until I do, take care and happy decorating.